and she sends him a letter. And he responds very well to the letter, because as he reads it, he recognises the wife that he had a couple of years ago who was happy in the letter, and so he likes it. And she decides to take him even further and get a meeting together to see how he reacts to this babushka lady instead of her. And when he meets her, again, because she's so similar to his wife, the one that he loves, he's very attracted to her.
Oh, hey, hold on just for a second. I'm going to do this podcast real quick and then we can go out. Yeah, Michael, you got the Pink Floyd all queued up? Okay, great. Can we get started? All right. Cue in music in 3, 2. BOOZHOO ni Janashanabe Doog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and today our special word, gisinaa. It's cold, because you know it is cold this time of year. And it's just going to get colder before it gets warm. But yeah, gisinaa, and I made a little painting for our special word today. Here, check this out. Wagosh and a jitamu in the snow. And Wagosh is saying, "Brr, gisinaa, brr, it's cold." And yeah, there you have it. Gisinaa, it's cold. And that's all I have to say about that. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am your humble host, Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga wabamin minawa hawa. All right, good enough, Michael. Hey, I got an idea. Let's go have some outro music, and then oh, that's kind of stupid, isn't it? Never mind.